Bless up, bless up, bless up. Respect, man. See the beat? Thank you, man. Mad. Mash it. Blessed respect and welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. How you mean? We in a them place like our yard. So right about now we stand up right on, you don't know, 57th Street and Park Avenue. And we're going to walk the Billionaire Row in Manhattan. You don't know then say where all of the billionaires them come live. Must say we are talking about the Maybach, them we are talking about all of the good things. Huh?
You filming like scenery and stuff?
Yeah. That's it.
You got a YouTube channel and stuff?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man.
How much do you charge to shoot videos?
Actually, I don't charge right now, you know. I just do my own thing, just YouTube alone, you know.
Jamaican?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. So I'll be doing a video of the Billionaire Row, which is 57th Street.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, we just hit the 200,000 subscribers and I'm happy.
Oh, shit.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna follow you and keep up, alright?
Respect, cool? Thanks, man.
Yep.
That's it. Yeah. So, we're actually on 57th Street and we are heading that way. You know what I mean? So this is Park Avenue. This is Park Avenue. And then see, I don't that's where the billionaire them live. You understand? You see some of them skyscraper there? Yeah. Billionaire Row. Rich people place. We are talking about the Maybach, the Ferrari, them basic, the Porsche, everything. You know what I mean? As you can see, this direction, the meth life. Yeah. And upon them condo there. Yeah. The money of it tall. That is it. So then call this stretch the Billionaire Row in Manhattan. Yeah. No joke. So we're gonna walk it. Actually, alright, see, unusual Benz and all them things there. Yeah, whole heap of limited edition. So it's not a narrating video, we're just gonna walk it, show you the natural ambiances, show you what it looks like, and hope you enjoy the video. If you love the video, please give it a like, and please I'm asking you to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. See? That is it, let's go. Alright, see the white man there, let's go. Time for walk. Alright, before we go no further, let's check this out. Machine. Man. Machine.
She called me before, and that's why I took like a photo.
Billionaire Row. That's where we're walking.
Actually, Zora was down.
I'm watching your truck. Don't you worry about it. Don't move that shit down the block.
Which place is it? What's the name of this place? Oh, wow. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Respect, man. Billionaire Row. This building is actually curved. So now why you see why they call it the Billionaire Row? There's so many rich people live in this area or own these places. See the B? Bentley, man. Bentley. Wow. Thank you, man. So this building center camera, them say this building have the best view in the entire Manhattan. This building center camera because it's everywhere, even the park. And you can pretty much stay everywhere in Manhattan and see this building. One of the most expensive apartments in Manhattan. You can find Panda building there. Yeah, there's a couple of them. Whoa.
beautiful.
And it's beautiful. No.
Yo, they got something like that at B&H. You know who B&H is?
Yeah.
Yo, let me walk, 'cause I gotta be such a problem. Look at my man for a second. I'm gonna get one of those.
DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
I can take a picture of that?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna tell the guy exactly what it is. I don't know what camera. What was it? What was that about?
It depends on the setup that you want. So a setup like this will probably really cost you a little bit under $1,000.
Is it?
Yeah. Trust me. I have the alternate battery right here. This is actually the camera here.
That's the camera right there.
Yeah. Extra battery for the camera.
Mm-hmm.
This takes out the bubbling. So this is a Z bar, takes out the bubbling.
What
So
about the
it's
background
small.
noise and all of that for the sound?
You can turn off that
Yeah.
on and off.
So let me ask
And
you.
it comes with its own microphone, which is wireless.
So let me ask you a question. So basically, what you do, you're filming for what? Just the
Scenery.
Scenery? Yeah.
Natural, everything. Like you talking to me now,
Yeah.
it's recording the audio. But it's natural, it's fine.
You gotta take me out.
It's no, your voice will be in it. It's fine. You know, we're talking.
Yeah.
This is only natural. You asking me a question, I answer you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, 50 years from now, persons can hear a conversation. We're talking about the camera.
So how much video time do you get?
All right. With this setup, depends on the temperature of the place. So right now it's really cool. So it actually cools down really fast. So you use less battery.
Mm-hmm.
So I can be filming with all of this setup right now. This is actually an alternative battery to as well, screwed onto here.
Mm-hmm.
So when this is finished, it powers from this to this, and this also have its own battery.
Mm-hmm.
So you're looking at maybe around 4 hours of battery life right here.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Some people say that you could do it on here.
Yeah, you can do it on your phone if
Yeah.
but your phone doesn't have the stabilization as this.
Right.
Yeah, this is. Take a look at what's gonna happen right here. Look at the head tip.
So it moves with the camera, right?
You realize it stays straight,
Right.
even though my hands are moving.
Mm-hmm.
Your phone doesn't do that.
So let me ask you, so when you record people, is it clear?
Oh yeah,
Like
it's
it's
beautiful, crystal clear. Check one of my video. It's Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica walk by?
Yeah,
I remember.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, you said you from Jamaica. You know this dude named Drizzy?
Oh, Drizzy Burke.
Drizzy
Yeah.
Burke. Drizzy Burke is
See,
crazy. He
that's
do
a
lot-
big guy in
Yeah,
Jamaica.
Drizzy do a lot of crazy stuff.
Yeah, that's
And then
Drizzy Burke.
You know the little guy that he had out there?
Six.
Yeah. Six is crazy.
Six boss.
I used
Where
to,
you from?
Yeah, I'm from here, but my family's from Trinidad.
Oh.
So look. So I ran across Drizzy like about a couple months back, right? About 6 months back. I was looking at it. I said, yo, this thing's I got hooked. I got hooked after a while by looking
Loads
at
of
it.
river, ladies,
Yeah,
seafood.
crazy. Got a lot of food.
A lot
And
of
You know who came, and I said that she was going to become independent on her own. You know that girl Tiffany?
Tiffany Silver.
Yeah, I said she going to become independent.
Yeah, she actually very independent right now. Very big YouTuber down there.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
She's beautiful. She's
Beautiful
nice.
young lady. Very beautiful.
I said this girl. I said she gonna do something on her own.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Tiffany Silver.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, man.
But it's a lot of people doing some things out there.
Well, now you get to know Jamaica Walk By. I just hit by 200,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know what? You want to see something funny? You remember what? I'm not gonna say that one on video. But remember what happened over by the parkway, the parade? Yeah, I'm the one. I captured. I was right there. I'm not sure if you saw that video.
I heard it was going on.
Yeah. I captured all the footage just as it after it happened. See, it's now
That's live. How good is the montage?
Doing some things on it. You know, so I got some stuff I want to do. But the thing is that I really haven't had the time.
Look at
Yeah.
this. You can take a look.
I don't live too far from there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm on Franklin. Ooh, look at this.
You didn't see this video?
Yo, man. Yo, listen, bro. I'm so busy, right? I work down the block, man. I'm so
Oh,
busy.
man.
I don't have time. I was working 2 jobs, right? I'm so busy, man. I haven't had time. 'Cause like I said, I want to do something. Not what you're doing. But
Yeah.
I want to do something else. That's what I'm asking about the camera and everything. Because
This is very good.
Yeah, I'm
Only thing about this camera is that it's not waterproof. It's water resistant. So the rain can be slightly falling if something you don't submerge it right.
So then basically you upload all the information that you get it when you put it on YouTube, right?
Yeah. So right now this is a video right here.
Yeah.
Look at the quality of it. And it's this.
So you was like right there.
Capture everything after.
I want to do something a little similar, man. I mean, I know everybody got their own thing going on, but I'm trying to get into something. I've been talking about doing something at home.
That's good.
Now I everything. Like I said before, I didn't have time. So now I have to
Check it out.
Yeah, I have a little bit more time now to do it. So we're gonna do it. All right, respect that.
Yeah. I hope you subscribe.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I will.
That's
I
it.
will.
Respect.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
All right. Remember, the camera. DJI. You took a picture of it.
Okay, I took a picture.
Great.
All right.
Take care, my man.
What's your number, man? Just give me your number.
No, I don't want Jamaica Walk Band.
We'll talk, man.
All right, cool.
All right.
No problem. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
A-Fraz Explorers.
What's that?
A-Fraz Explorers.
Hey, I run into somebody doing something just like
What's
me.
yours? What's yours?
I'm Jamaica Walk By.
I've seen you already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let me hook up with your thing. I probably watch your videos.
Probably.
I'm currently in here.
It's A-F-R-A-Z.
Say again?
A-F-R-A-Z.
A-F-R-A-Z. That's it?
Yeah. Explorers.
Let me find your channel. Oh, you're live right now?
Yeah, I'm live right
Oh,
now.
I'm so sorry, man.
Nah, that's okay, man.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna make sure I'm subscribed to you. Let me turn on the notification. Oh. Oh yeah. Hey, so all my supporters, yeah, stop this guy. Yeah, see, you already subscribed.
Yeah,
That's
I
great,
got you,
man.
bro.
Let me share it to my subscribers right now, real quick. So all my subscribers, look who I'm watching right now. Look at this channel right here, who I ran into. Let me like this video. Look at this. Look at this. This is
You can go
crazy.
on the live video, you see yourself right now too.
Wow, look.
Click on the live
Oh, let me click on it. That's it. I'm a subscriber. Check this guy out. Look at the channel.
Look, you there right now.
Oh, look what. Hey, look good now, man. I mean that. Hey, we there. You don't know we in the street. You know, general video me as me video him. You don't know we got to connect. Yeah, no. Same camera and everything. Similar
same
setup,
thing.
everything. One love, bro. It's so great to run into you.
Alright, no
Yeah,
problem,
keep doing
man.
it, alright? How do you love it? You love it?
I love it, bro.
I love it too, man. It's just great. And look who I run into. And you're a big YouTuber as well. Nice, man. One love. Seal it again. Jamaica Walk By. Say your channel. Introduce yourself.
My name is A-Fraz Explorers.
That is it. A-Fraz Explore. Yeah, you travel all over or just New York?
Just New York for right now.
All right.
Until I
Wish you
get
luck
more
going to your 100K. All right. I hit 200K just the other day. So great. Woo!
Wonderful, man. Keep it going. Keep grinding.
You too, man. Respect. Nice. Yeah, that is so cool. I ran into another YouTuber. Yeah, A-Fraz Explores. This is him. He was already following me and everything, so let me give him a really good shout out. He's live right now, so y'all subscribe to his page and check out his videos. Yeah, man. See, he's doing great. He's doing great. He's doing great. Mad. So if you want to see America and stuff like this, you should definitely watch his channel. That's great. And he's live right now. That was so cool. Yeah, a mad thing. Yeah, he was also even at the parade. Mad. He was streaming at the parade. That is so cool. Nice. Yeah. So we're currently walking the Billionaires Row.
There's some midnight, I'm here till midnight too. But I'm
So what? But I can't do it. I have
Yeah, you can't keep joking about it. It still looks like.
But what I realized, you know, we're still on 57th Street, but it just changed all of a sudden. You start to see a lot of Spanish, you know. Start seeing a lot of Spanish down by this side. But yeah. Still beautiful, man. NBC Broadcast Center. Start getting lonely, you know. But this is the CBS Broadcast Center. Wow. Just want to say thank you for everybody. Say thank you to everybody who actually stay tuned and watch the video. Run into a new YouTuber, well, not new YouTuber, I mean a new YouTuber to me, but he was actually following me and I feel good, you know what I mean? His name is Afrez Explore. Afrez Explore. So I hope you guys check him out. Subscribe to his channel. Seems like a good youth and things. So one love, one respect to all. That's the mother face. Beautiful. So yeah, maximum respect to all. If you watch this video and you're not yet subscribed, you know the thing. Please may I ask if you subscribe to the channel. Is it? No joke, no doubt. Remember that, please. Like the video if you not like it yet. 57th Street. You see it? Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna close it right by the end of it. So one love to all, blessings and respect for joining. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Big up to Jason and Gina. You understand? Yeah, man. We outside.